Okay, today is on one of the most fun tools that you can use for portraits, and it is under Filter, and go down to Liquify. If it doesn't work, see me, because it's really intensive on the computer, and the computer will freak out. Okay, so this comes up, and you can do some really basic things. You can start out with a finger, the finger tool, and then I can... And you can do things like that, which are certainly cool. You can adjust the brush, etc. over here, but not amazing. You can also use things like the pucker tool. Okay, so I can really shrink that eye in. I'll shrink that eye in. You can start to see where this could be useful for the current assignment, right? Or we can use bloat and go... Right? Okay, could be really useful for this assignment. Let me undo that. Okay. The interesting one is down here, face tool. Okay, so what the face allows you to do is, for instance, I can take, and I'm going to make the left eye really huge, and I'm going to make the right eye really tiny. I can adjust the height of the eyes, or the size of the eyes, the width, the tilt, and if you continue to go down, you can alter pretty much anything you'd want regarding the face. But it has to be that there's a clear face. And one of the things that you do want to avoid with this is getting it so weird that it no longer looks realistic. Remember, we're trying to get something that seems, quasi-realistic. I mean, I guess that's okay, but like I'm just, throwing everything to the side right now just to see what's going to happen. So let's just throw these all over here. Other than I'm looking really weird. Alright, so, okay, could work for a zombie or something, I don't know. I think it's a bit too much, and I would tone it down a bit. And I'm a big fan, however, of the bloat tool, because with the bloat tool, I can really, make things bigger, but I get some control over it, and it's going to look a little bit more realistic. Okay, that's a bit much, but you get the general idea. Same thing with the nose, is I could really give myself a giant nose, which is going to look mostly realistic. Okay, so today you can play with that.